Hi guys, my name is Patrick. Welcome to Newtica. Today I'm going to show you guys our new fixed screen. So fixed screen is actually originated from Belgium. So we actually install our fixed screens outdoor. So when we are installing this outdoor, we actually have two side guides to hold this whole blind intact, and for the fabric we're also using fiberglass. So this is better and more sturdier compared with normal polyester sunscreen fabrics, and this whole thing is windproof up to 130 kilometers per hour wind load. So yes, this is Patrick, this is Newtica Blinds, and this is our new fixed screen. Thank you and see you guys next time.